be artifacts, and for New Zealand Music Month, against my fast flow. I claim you wanna be kind, put in the time to fit my clown, hold the head of the grind. Is it a similar what to be trying? But if you ever been crying, and deny like you in denial, it's blinded, diving, all quit being a joker. Opposite of sober, don't equal a coma. Let her know success, snake bite slid down the back of a cobra. Cause I was pushing the legal macarona. He had told my brother to hold out Cody's ice and coronas and make a pop of the mouth like an ulcer. I got a roll over, hanging on to the crash and drift Daytona. Move forward, you prove more. Cause I once was the twisted idiot that's in prison where resilience ain't repeat offending in the zone of sending. You a punk drunk driver, get the message. And that shows and exposes who really is brilliant with the will to win. And in the sense was hidden if I killed another man, woman, no children. And that's the reason why I can't write different. Cause my mind's still spinning with the world on my traps, and I trap the blur vision. And it's the reason why I can't find rhymes quick time, cause part of my mind's missing. Artifacts of real living.